I apologize sincerely about this vlog. Hey guys, so it is 5 o'clock now. They stayed for the morning and had lunch with us, and we played with the kids for a while, and then we left at like 3:30 to go get her older son from preschool. And yeah, it was just a really nice day. We just chilled, tried to watch a movie, didn't really get through it because the kids were kind of jumping around and just going crazy, what kids do. So we didn't really get through the movie, but we had seen it before anyway, so it didn't really matter. But yeah, then we took her home and then went to the supermarket, and we've only just got home like 5 minutes ago. So there's not gonna be much on this vlog, I'm sorry, but I'll try and get some stuff for you guys. Okay, let's go. What are you doing?
I'm gonna have a movie marathon of watching all the Marvel movies, but I can only watch on my iPad, but I'm trying to get my stupid computer to work.
That's dumb. Oh, it's gonna be so boring, this vlog. Sorry guys. Hi. I'm saying everything really slow to use up more time on this vlog. So, I have a mother. She's in her room. And I have this drink. And I've got my iPad here, and I'm littering. I'm listening to some Spotify. You guys are gonna think I'm so lame, but I have the JoJo Siwa song, Boomerang, and I love it. Anyway, I don't listen to any of her other songs except she came out with a new one recently, and I listened to it last night. And I know she's like a 14-year-old girl, but I can't help it. I love those songs. They're the best. So I downloaded that new song and I'm loving it. I think it's called like Every Girl's a Super Girl or something like that. But yeah, I really like it. In my opinion, I think it's cute and adorable, and it's just cute. So yes, I'm gonna listen to that, and I'm gonna finish this damn crocheted sack boy. I was supposed to finish, like, I made it and I was like, yeah, I can finish this tonight, and I was going to, and then I just didn't feel like it. Yeah, and I just haven't got around to it. It takes me longer to crochet something when I have to make up the pattern myself, which is what I had to do with this sack boy. And I've pulled the arms apart a few times before I actually completed the pattern. But I'm gonna pick it up and I'm gonna do it tonight. What was I? I'm gonna do it tonight. Yeah. We had pizza for dinner, but it wasn't like Domino's pizza. It wasn't like bought pizza. It was like frozen pizza. And our oven, because we moved in here and it was dirty and I don't know.
It was rotten.
It just wasn't working. Anyway, we got it working, but now it's really smoky because the owner, the person who lived here before, put cleaning chemicals on it and didn't clean it off properly. And so now it's smoking everywhere, so we don't use the oven pretty much at all. Well, we haven't used it at all since we moved here. So we've been microwaving our frozen pizza. Surprisingly good. It's not that bad. But yeah, we had that for dinner. I had Supreme, so it had a little bit of vegetables on it. So I guess that kind of counts. But Nicholas had meat lovers.
And it tasted disgusting. It was watery.
Well, mine was good.
Well, mine was horrible. Steph, are we gonna be playing LittleBigPlanet together or what?
Yes. I love that game. See? LittleBigPlanet.
They can't see it. Right, just like that.
Oh my gosh, guys. Guess what I figured out how to do? Screen record. It's awesome. I never knew how to do it, and then last night I like turned on the little thing where it allows me to do it, and I just recorded everything. So awesome. So I'm gonna put a little screen recording right here right now of me. Can you see? How cool is it? Of me going to Snapchat. This is my Snapchat. Go and follow me or whatever you do on Snapchat, and then you can see all my snaps, chats. How cool is it?
Did it end?
It's probably ended by now, but it was cool. Or
It is the
it either is cool or was cool. Yeah. So you can customize your little sack boy on LittleBigPlanet. You can do anything to it. So I put a giant tiger nose on it. Wait, let me move and I'll show you. There it is. See the giant tiger nose? And it also has a butterfly on it. There it is. See?
As you can see, I have a bat bird on my chin.
A what?
A bat bird. It's a bird that acts like a bat. And then, yeah, just have a couple stones.
Anyway, so there's my giant tiger nose and Nicholas's acorn one. But yeah, we're still sitting here playing this and chilling.
Wait.
So, when I had my friend over this afternoon with her kids, I didn't get a lot of footage, but I did manage to get this little part, which I thought was pretty cute. But that wasn't much, but that's all I could get. That's all I was sort of comfortable with getting. But yeah, I thought that was pretty cute and I thought I'd just add it in there. Yes, I'm still in the same position, same place I was before.
Hey guys, do you like my new scarf? It costs like $1,200.
Rebecca, it's called fashion. I got it from Incy Wincy.
It's beautiful.
So I'm gonna end the vlog now.
It's lit.
So I'm gonna go have a shower. I don't know and I don't really care what he's gonna do.
I'm gonna have a shower after you.
Okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna go. I apologize sincerely about this vlog. She's smiling behind the camera. She's trying so. Can you guys do this? Comment down below if you can.
Okay, I got a question for you guys personally. If you had children, what would their names be?
Mine would be Noah for a boy and Caitlin for a girl. Possibly, I'm starting to go off it though. But I love Noah.
Mine would be either Alex, Hunter, Joseph, I don't know, it's just maybe.
Anyway guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I'm really sorry if it was boring. I'm not even offended if you don't watch it.
Oh.
But if you made it all the way through, thanks. And I will see you guys tomorrow.
And subscribe and make sure to hit that notification bell to get notified by every video that she uploads so you won't miss a single video ever.
And I'll see you guys tomorrow for another vlog. Don't forget to share this. Bye.
Bye.